welcome. So in this video we'll go over how to install a Python application, specifically the voucher wheel application in DigitalOcean server. So we'll spin up a server from scratch. This guide should work with any Python Django application, but yeah, like I said, we'll go specifically for this one here, voucher wheel, that we are promoting in CodeCanyon. If you don't know, this one is basically a wheel that you can spin for a prize, so you can use that to promote your business, to reward your customers. If you don't know that, the voucher wheel is basically a tool that you can engage your customers, giving them rewards. It's basically a wheel prize, so you get, let me show you very quickly here. So you get a coupon or a voucher. In the demo here we can use this one. And then you have a chance to win one of these prizes. So for example, let me spin here, and you will see everything's done in the back end, so there's no way to change. Oh, so I just got 25% off, for example. And then here you'll be able to give your customer a voucher, or you can actually contact them. So you can also have, let me show you, you can also have, so for the voucher you also have fully customizable admin dashboard, so you can, for example, change the prices for whatever you like, and then you can make as a winner or as a loser, or you can also have a try again. In the example here, if you land on free spin, in this case, you can actually try again, and then you will be able to see all the people that draw, and like I said, you can actually contact them from here. But yeah, that's it. Very simple application. You can grab your copy in CodeCanyon. Actually, lots of people contacted me to have some sort of video introduction or video installation. So yeah, here we go. I'll help you, I'll guide you through everything from scratch, and hopefully that will help you set up your own voucher wheel or any other Django framework application.
So let's dive straight into it. The first thing you need to do is go to digitalocean.com and set up your account, and of course create your first droplet. So before you sign in, you can use my referral link. You can get $100 over 60 days. Once you spend the first 25, I get 25 back, so you help me support this channel. So yeah, but it's essentially free money for you. So go ahead and click on the link in the description. So first thing you need to do is create your droplet. So let's go here to the create button and droplet. Then you can pick any kind of a Linux distribution. I would just go with Ubuntu this time, and the cheapest options should be right for you. So you click on basic, regular SSD, and then we have the cheapest one, $4 a month. Then you need to select your data center. It doesn't matter too much right now, but I'll pick New York. And then all the rest you can skip. You probably need your SSH key or a password if you don't know how to work to SSH key. I already have one set up, so I'll skip that. You probably might need backups, but for this purpose of the video, I'm not setting up any backup. All the rest is free, so you feel free to go ahead and choose those. And tags, you can use tags just to identify easily what machine you are working on. But for right now, it doesn't matter too much. So for me here, it will be CodeCanyon demo, and create a tablet. So now it's spinning up. All right, so the droplet has been created. So now what we need to do is go ahead and log in the machine. So that's my IP address. So I'll go to my terminal. If you're in Windows, you can get your command prompt and do SSH to the IP machine. So I will need here to be root actually. And you agree with fingerprint. And here you go, you're in the machine. So now I am just in the root directory for the machine that we just created, the droplet we just created. And so now you're gonna set up the project. So a few things I recommend do is to update the distribution. So I'll do apt update. That might take a while. And now we need to install a few packages for the actual project. So again, apt install, and then -y for yes. So we need Python 3 -dev. We need Python 3 pip. We need lib pq dev. We need Nginx. We need curl. We need Gunicorn. And we need UFW. Okay, that's done. So now we need to upgrade pip. That's fine for now, and the virtual env, that should be the last installation for now for the project. Cool. So now we are in the root directory. So I will create a directory for the project. So of course now we are setting up the voucher wheel. So let's create a directory for the voucher wheel. So on the home one. So let's go there. Yeah, it should be empty now. And what you need to do is go ahead and unzip the project there. And what I will do, I will get there are a few ways that you can do that. I will get mine from so I will log out. So I'm back to my machine, and I will go to the directory that I have the project. So I have on CodeCanyon voucher wheel, and then on the cell page here, it's just my local stuff, so don't worry about that. And the source here, I should have my zip file. Yes. So that's the latest version you might be downloading at this point. So what I will do is scp that file, and then root at our IP address, and that should go to the same directory as we are using, which is home voucher wheel, right? Just put a few more. Yeah. So that should copy your zip file to that same directory on the machine, the remote machine. Okay, all done. So we should go back to the machine, SSH, and we should go back to the home directory, and voila, the file is there. So now what I need to do is unzip. I don't know if I have unzip. Yeah, I do, yeah. Yeah, I need to install actually. So let's go ahead and install that. Okay, let's drag and unzip the file. Done. So everything should be inside wheel, and yeah, all the files are there. All right, so now, so what we need to do now is create our virtual environment for the Python project. Oh, sorry. Yeah, all done. And then we do source VM bin activate. So now you can see that we are in the virtual environment. And what we need to do is first install all the requirements, all the dependencies that the product has. Oh, of course, you need to do cd wheel first and do it again. Might take a while. All done. And now run the migrations. For the database. Yeah, all done. Nothing to do. You might want to create your super user so you can access as admin. I usually put admin, and then you can, oh, sorry. Let's do root actually. It doesn't matter the email, and the password you put whatever unit we want. Yeah. All done. Let's collect static and get all the files done. And we have one data to load, which will be the prize data. So just go Python manage load data prizes. Okay, all done, very quick. So now you should be able to spin off your server. So if you do Python manage py run server, so that means that your server is running. For you to, in order to see that, let me get a browser again. You basically need to go to the IP address of the machine, which is in this case, yeah, 159.203, and then you can see that it's running on the port 8000, so it should be all right. See, so now on the port 8000, that's your project right there. And of course, if you go to admin, we can try the same root password that we just done. Voila. So now here we go. We have everything here. What we need to do is set up the proper domain and everything. This was just a quick test to see that works. So yeah, so that was just pretty much to test our ability to host. And what we need to do now is to bind Gunicorn. So here on the wheel folder, we just type Gunicorn /bind 000 8000 core YSGI. And try again. Yeah, voila, that's working fine through Gunicorn. We can stop it again. And let's go out our virtual environment. Just type deactivate. Cool. So for the Gunicorn, we need to go to this folder. So sudo nano, so /etc /systemd, and then system, and then Gunicorn .service. That's a new file, and then here we just add this block. So you can pause the video and copy it. So basically the unit service, so the folder where you create in vouchers -wheel the project, and here with the sock file. So go ahead and save it. And now we need to start Gunicorn. Cool. We need to enable Gunicorn. Right. And let's see how it's doing. Yeah, so it's active. All good. All looks good. Let's just see how. Yeah, it's another way to see. Let's reload the daemon and restart Gunicorn. Cool. So let's add it to Nginx. Let me see. Should be this one. I created a URL, a domain for that. I just called demo. So it'll be demo.visionsystem.com. And that should be it. We need to put a symlink like that. And so it says that has suspicious symbols. Let me see that again. Suspicious symbols online too. Server name demo.visionsystems. Oh, I see. We need to remove the HTTP. Just put the IP address with no anything else. Okay, so that should be it. Let's try again. Sudo nginx -t. Yeah, all good. Just need to allow the port 8000 and allow nginx full. All good. So now, if we go to our website again with just the IP address, there we go, and also my domain that I set up, demo.visionsystems.com. Cool.
So here you go. Hopefully this tutorial will help you set up your own Django framework application and the voucher wheel specifically. So if you have any questions, please contact me. And yeah, thank you. See you on the next one. Bye.